Okay, now when I'm saying this line that कहीं आपकी अच्छाई कुछ गलत होने का कारण ना बन जाए, I'm getting connected with a beautiful scene or incident from Mahabharata. Everybody knows Mahamahim Bhishma, right? He took a oath of brahmacharya, he took a oath of protecting the Sihasana of Hastinapur, and because of that, he has to obey the person whosoever is holding the throne of Hastinapur. Now, cut and fast forward to the Cheer Haran scene. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. You are watching and listening to Miss Amaira Jyoti on Speak Up Hesitations, and you are on Speak Up Hesitations as well. So, how many of you think that I'm a very good person, but because of that, people take advantage of me? So, you want to stay with your goodness, but you also want to protect yourself in such a way that no one makes fool of you, right? और इस कैलकुलेशन में कभी कभी हम इतने ज़्यादा इंटैंगल्ड हो जाते हैं कि जहाँ पे एक्चुअली में हेल्प चाहिए होती है, देयर वी एक्चुअली क्रिएट डाउट इन आवर माइंड कि आर दे फूलिंग मी, आर दे टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ मी, एंड वेयर पीपल हैज रियली मेड अस फूल, देयर वी गेट सो कैजुअल कि हमने तो अपनी तरफ से अच्छा कर दिया, रेस्ट गॉड इज वॉचिंग. दिस साउंड्स फनी बट दिस इज एक्चुअली नॉट फनी. इट्स हैपनिंग बिकॉज वी आर नॉट कॉन्शियस अबाउट हाउ टू मेक अ बैलेंस इन staying with your goodness, and at the same time be attentive of all those oversmart people who are ready on their marks to fool people or to trick people, because good people are just thinking of doing good, right? चाहे किस भी माध्यम से possible हो, कैसे भी संभव हो. That's why it's easier to trick people who are filled with goodness, because oversmart people have cracked that logic of कि किसको कहाँ से कैसे घुमाना है, right? So that's why it's really important to be attentive and mindful of how much to give, that how much you're giving and where to stop. And you can step back very nicely. I always believe that you don't have to create a kiosk to say no or to express your disapproval. I think these lines I always add in every video of mine, because we have to think in this way as well, that it's our responsibility also to make sure that if we are providing help with money, तो पैसा उन तक ही पहुंचे. If we are donating blood or donating organ, these things can be misused, right? So obviously we can't be physically present for every step verification, but if you are the original source of help, then in the beginning your yes and no really matters. In the beginning you have that right to think and then decide, right? And now the world is open book. Okay, take your time, enough time, and reach out to the authentic source and then provide help. Because it's not just about providing help, it's about providing help to the right consumer who actually need your help, where your contribution is actually adding a value. And I'm telling you, the outside world is not absolute good. Most of them have become cruel, most of them have become evil, and now the world is following fraud. Don't make fool of yourself. Take your time and do some research, okay? And do not overthink on that, oh my god, people will judge me for not saying yes on the spot. We have this problem, right? Overthinking problem. क्यों no किसी ने help मांगी तो तुरंत I have to say yes. Don't take this pressure. Do all of your calculations, then reach out to the authentic source. And this is the meaning of real help, real goodness. Because if people are misusing you because you're good, because you're kind, then it's a kind of a suffering कि आपकी अच्छाई के लिए आपको सफर करना पड़ रहा है. So I feel like goodness plus smartness is the best combo you and I should invest in. Now I feel like the only way people achieve their mischief is because if you don't know where to draw a line and say no. I feel like people find it hard to frame a sentence of saying no. Am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? I feel like saying no is very tricky, especially if you don't want to disappoint people or seem unhelpful, right? But if you are overextending yourself, isn't that a chaos? Isn't that a big problem? Because overextending yourself comes with demerit, and later we really regret because we are not saying no, because of not saying no. So say no nicely. Say no if something is not coming from within. अच्छाई थोड़ी बैलेंस में. कहीं आपकी अच्छाई कुछ गलत होने का कारण ना बन जाए. Okay, now when I'm saying this line that कहीं आपकी अच्छाई कुछ गलत होने का कारण ना बन जाए, I'm getting connected with a beautiful scene or incident from Mahabharata. Everybody knows Mahamahim Bhishma, right? He took a oath of brahmacharya, he took a oath of protecting the Sihasana of Hastinapur, and because of that, he has to obey the person whosoever is holding the throne of Hastinapur. Now, cut And fast forward to the Cheer scene. And Mahamahim Bhishma was also there. And according to him, he couldn't able to help Draupadi क्योंकि उनका धर्म तो केवल सिंहासन की तरफ था. सिंहासन पे जो राजा बैठा था सिर्फ उनके तरफ था. तो जो राजा बोलेंगे वो मैं करूँगा, इस धर्म से उन्होंने खुद को बांध लिया था. तो even after knowing कि Dhritarashtra the king, he is ordering everything wrong, doing everything wrong, he did not go against him. Mahamahim Bhishma did not go against him because he wanted to protect his own oath as well. तो पूरी सभा में extremely powerful होने के बाद भी he did not do anything. Now cut and fast forward to the scene Yudh of Mahabharata where Mahamahim Bhishma was face to face with Shri Krishna. Bhishma was like, मेरा दोष बताइए, मैंने तो जीवन भर धर्म को धारण किया है, हमेशा सही किया है. एंड कृष्ण मेड हिम रियलाइज बाय गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स कि अपने धर्म को संभालने के लिए तुमने कितने अधर्म होने दिए हैं. डू यू इवन नो दिस? देयर वाज अ हेल्पलेस वुमन क्राइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू फॉर हेल्प बिकॉज अदर पीपल वर मोलेस्टिंग हर एंड यू डिसाइड टू स्टे लॉयल विद unethical king just because you want to protect your own oath. Why you were silent when there was a need to speak up? You stayed loyal with unethical king when you were supposed to say no. And Sri Krishna made him realize how important is it to break your own oath if needed. We can relate this example with our own life. How important is it to say no? And most importantly, the highlighted line should be say no when you want to say no. ओके क्योंकि महामहिम भीष्म भी नो नहीं बोल पाए थे बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ओन ओथ. वो बंद गए थे उस चीज़ से. ठीक है, वो एथिकल अनएथिकल का डिफरेंस ही नहीं समझ पाए. एंड सेइंग नो इज नॉट अ प्रूफ दैट यू आर नॉट अ गुड हार्टेड पर्सन, यू आर नॉट अ काइंड पर्सन, यू आर नॉट अ हेल्पिंग पर्सन. इट्स जस्ट लाइक यू आर प्रोटेक्टिंग योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द पीपल हु आर रेडी ऑन देयर मार्क्स टू फूल यू, टू ट्रिक you. You have to protect yourself. By the way, this Mahabharata scene that I added as an example is even more beautifully exaggerated, but I have to keep it short and crisp, right? So that you and I can relate with today's video. So I hope this video is helpful. You enjoyed. I'll see you in the next, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.